So over the last decade or so, we've seen quite big changes on how customers for businesses have evolved, and a key factor in that has been the economy. If we take stock of over the last 10 years, moving into 2017, we see that 2007 was really one of the last years of the Great Moderation, the time when, if we class them as the good times. And since then, we've seen a very deep recession come through, and obviously the impacts that's had on affordability. It's moved the Bank of England into cutting interest rates to record lows at the time. And since then, looking at through 2012, we did see an economic recovery start to emerge. And in fact, that economy, over the last 3 years, the UK economy has been the fastest growing out of the advanced economies in the world. So how has that impacted customers? Well, again, going back over the last decade, you saw going into the recession of 2009, actual credit was at an all-time high. We saw households borrowing both in terms of mortgages and consumer credit. As the recession took hold and we saw that credit crunch really start to emerge, you also started to see that customers' affordability was put under a lot more pressure. And so what you saw was banks actually having to put into new affordability measures around how exactly they would treat customers fairly. And a lot of that has stayed beyond the 2009 crisis, and we've seen the rise of the FCA really trying to place the consumer at the heart of everything that the banks are trying to do in terms of affordability, forward-looking to make sure that when customers borrow today, will they be able to keep up those credit commitments should economic factors change.